Hello and welcome to React Bits. Today I'm doing a video on my VS Code setup. The VS Code I'm using is the latest version 1.37.1 and I love the new look, the new icons that have updated in this version. The first thing I'd like to share is the color theme that I'm using because I got lots of comments regarding my theme in my other video. The color theme that I am using is Noctis Uva. This theme has other variations like Noctis Sereno, Obscuro, Minimus, but the one I like the most is the Uva variation. The next thing I'd like to talk about in this video is the extensions that I use with my VS Code. In this video, however, I'll talk about few extensions that I love the most. The first and foremost is the Better Comments extension. This extension provides few options to make comments more useful and friendly. The first option is the highlight. You can highlight any line of comment with asterisks in the beginning. Second one is the alert. You can place alert in any comments with exclamation mark at the beginning. Third is the query. You can denote any line as query with question mark in the beginning. And finally, the to do. You can specify to do in comments just by writing to do in the beginning. The second extension that I love is the bracket pair Colorizer 2. This extension makes nested code more readable by providing different sets of colors to the bracket pairs so that by looking at the bracket color you can easily identify the nesting. Another super useful extension that I use often is the Code Runner extension. This extension allows you to run a code snippet or a file right from your editor. For example, here I have a Python code and this extension provides a little play icon at the top of your editor. If I press this play icon, this will now run this file and show the output here. Hello Python. The final extension that I would like to talk in this video is the Snippet Creator extension. Though this extension does not have large number of downloads, I love this extension because I love to work with code snippets in my workflow, and this extension makes creating a code snippet a lot easier than when you have to do it manually. So let's check it out how it works. To use this extension, you just have to do is select the code that you want to create a snippet from, and then in command palette run create a snippet command. Here it will ask you the name of the snippet, flutter init state, okay, snippet prefix, let's say finits finits, and then description. Okay, so this has successfully added the snippets to our Dart snippets. So let's check it out. User snippets Dart.json. So here at the bottom there is flutter init state prefix finish description, and the body is exactly as we have selected. So this is a super useful extension if you like to work with snippets and if you are like me creating lots of snippets for your code. Thank you everyone for watching this video.